that gangster one though, remember? Spaced out, hella off these weed. I be blowing this a day. I just recop right now. If I can blow this before tomorrow morning.
You know, it's popping for Marley.
Yeah, Marley.
Rest
Michael Jackson.
Rest in peace.
Farrah Fawcett. You could be my Charlie Angel, baby.
Oh shit, rest in paradise east.
Listen. Now that you gone, I'ma blow this blunt. Keep on blowing till my eyes get stuck. And if I die, oh well, everybody gon' die soon. But I'm a boss like a tycoon. I'ma blow a typhoon. You fucking with me, you better be cool. I'll turn you to seafood. I mean chopped up raw fish. I eat your girl out cause she love my dick. Ew. Disgusting. You got cookies, bitch.
In the beat line dropping in late like.
When I see a girl, man, she got a big booty. I said, can you fuck me? Then swallow my cooties, I mean my kids. Cause I don't want you to have them, I just want you to eat them, baby girl. You could have them. Down your throat, see your stomach, then you gonna shit it out. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, word to my mouth. Word to my brothers. Word to my mother. Smoke another blunt, my eyes on cover. I mean it closed out, they in the eyelid. Then you gonna go back to my island. Samoa, Samoa, Tuka, Tuka, Walla, Walla.
Walla, Walla, bang, bang. I'm gonna fuck with you. Why I got bang on you? You seen that video?
We just tried. I don't know them niggas.
So rude. Killer. I got love for my haters, man. But I'm just gonna talk.
Okay.
I'm gonna talk about motherfucking haters, man.
I can't sing, but I'm gonna try though. Listen. See, baby, I've been fucking with you for about 3 weeks. But I gotta let you know the truth that your booty do reek. It's telling me you need some soap between your legs, toothbrush, toothpaste. And keep on washing till that shit turn white. And if it do, I'ma fuck you all night. Cause right now, I wanna leave. You got fake hair, bitch, that's a weave. And if I pull it, it might come out. And I'ma keep on going till I can't help. And you know that you want my dick. So you are invited. If it clean, smooth, rub it down, tick-delicious. And everybody know I fuck them bitches, tick-delicious. And my nigga Plum on a ukulele. Ozzy over here, beating like crazy. Oh, what the fuck? Open palm, oh. Got the lotion, no, I like to burn. Halloween, but my phone is ringing. Hello, for my girl. I just want to know. That was my phone.
Hey, I'm gonna text him, man. Shut up, man.
You want the right gun, like this shit, like that, son. See my cuts, see my tat. You see this shit, you see that. Yeah, and that was hella red though. Man, look at that shit.
Just leave it like that, man. I look great too, man. Oh shit. Never mind.
Nah, that's the promo shit.
Shit.
See, I'm sitting in a garage.
What the fuck we going, cuz?
Alright. Delete the recording? Alright, let's do it.